In this video, I'm going to show you how to download free games on your PlayStation 5. So maybe you fancy playing a new game but you don't want to spend any money buying one, then I'm going to show you how we can download free games using the PlayStation Store. So the first thing you want to do is just head over to your PlayStation home screen like this, and then you need to come up in the top navigation and you need to scroll across until you see PlayStation Store. Now once you have this selected, you need to use the downwards arrow key to come right down to the bottom of this page, and then from the bottom you'll have this option called PS5 games. Go and click on this. Now once you're on this window here, we need to go and filter these games by which ones are free to download. So what you can do is come over to this icon on the left hand side, and this will allow us to sort and filter the games. So go ahead and click on this. You can then scroll down and click on price, and then you need to check the box next to free. You can then close out of this window, and this is going to show us all the free games on the PlayStation Store, and there's literally tons of games here that you can go and start playing for free. So we can just scroll down the list until you see a game that you like. Let's say I wanted to download this game here. You can simply click on it, and then you could click on the download button to begin downloading this to your PlayStation, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.